Mechanism of breathing in humans. The objective is to understand how the lungs and ribcage contribute to the breathing process. Breathing is a vital function essential for the survival of all living organisms. In humans, breathing is influenced by the outward and downward movements of the ribcage. During inhalation, inspiration, the ribs move outward and lift upward. At the same time, the muscles of the diaphragm contract, causing the diaphragm to move downward. As a result, the volume of the thoracic cavity expands, which reduces air pressure inside the lungs. This drop in pressure allows external air to flow into the lungs through the pharynx, larynx, and bronchi, filling the alveoli. This process is called inspiration. Following this, during exhalation, expiration, the ribs move downward and the diaphragm relaxes, returning to its normal position. The thoracic cavity returns to its original size, compressing the lungs. This forces air out of the lungs, passing through the nostrils and exiting the body. In summary, the lungs and ribcage work together in a synchronized manner during both inhalation and exhalation. In a healthy human, the breathing rate is typically 15 to 18 breaths per minute.